Today we are going to make a brown and black Gothic hybrid utility kilt with Scottish National Tartan Apron. To start manufacturing, we need some important essentials like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, ruler, snap buttons, D-rings, eyelets, and lobster hook. In this first step, we select the fabric and cut it according to customer length and width. We cut the tartan fabric to make a front apron. Then we cut the cotton fabric black and brown to make pleats. We pin the pleats and sew them with a straight stitch and secure them inside from the top of the kilt. After completing this, we cut the black fabric to make pockets and sewn them on both sides. A pair of nylon straps are sewn on the top waist in which O-rings are connected. We take a chains and attach it with the side lobster hook.